Hey guys, I want to walk you through a trade I just took utilizing some of the techniques that we're learning in our series right now, this, that, or both. Okay. One of the things that we talked about, right, was getting to the place where we are trading, looking for our entries off of demand, off of supply, right? So we had a market that was pushing up, right? Um, for those of you guys that are ORS traders, we had a bullish, a bullish market, right? And we've been moving, right? Broke out yesterday during FOMC. However, market started to do a bit of a correction, right? A pullback. Now, as I mentioned in class today, you don't want to buy high. You want to allow the market to come back, and so we actually did get a pullback in here. Okay. Now, I was sitting here watching the chart, right? And I actually just had kind of casually turned to it, and I saw right in here, I saw a Morningstar pattern. Okay, and we were talking about these patterns, and how to really leverage these areas. Now, you can already see in here a lot of wicks on the downside, right? A lot of wicks on the low side, right? We have bullish engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candle, right? And then we had a Morningstar pattern. Okay. Now, also, if we look to the left, we could see we had a previous area of supply based on this bullish, bearish engulfing right here. Market came above, retested with a bullish, and now we're sitting right here. So market was really, really struggling in this area. Now, as it was moving down, we could see here that we're kind of going into like a wedge type pattern. Okay, kind of like equal lows. Okay, equal lows with us kind of breaking out right in here. Right. So I ended up taking a short. I'm actually out. Could still be holding it, but I got out. And here's what I did. Right. Let's wrap this up. So knowing that we're sitting on this demand, knowing that we were here, I saw the Morningstar pattern show up, which we talked about yesterday. As we said, the way to draw up the Morningstar, right, pattern is what you want to do is you want to look at the three candles. So big body, little body, big body. All right. For a Morningstar pattern, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put a line at the highest price on the small body, and looking at all three candles here. Okay, we're going to grab the lowest price out of all three candles, creating our entire zone here, right here. Now, this created our zone. Make it bright so it can stand out. This was our zone. Market came in here and retested. Okay. Now, what I actually did on the lower time frame is I actually came down here, and I was looking at this down here because I wanted to see the price action, right? I wanted to see the price action. So here we go. We come into the zone, we're retesting. And if we play this out, right, look at the bearish engulfing candle. That's the area supply. Right over here, we broke out, and it gave us another, look, Morningstar pattern. Okay. Morningstar pattern got retested, right? So we did the retest, and then right here, all we need to do is close above this level. We want to be super cautious, close above both of those levels. Okay. Or you can take the aggressive entry. All right. I ended up seeing it a little late, so I didn't get the entry until we closed up above there. Okay. But we could have taken it right down here, right? As soon as we got that retest, and then we ended up closing higher. We could have done that. So a couple opportunities. Now, if I go back to where I was at, I was on the 3-minute. For me, I was just going to play it safe. I could see that ultimately the highest high that we've had off of this low had been here. I can see the area of supply here. Not to say it can't break, but man, don't really need a lot, especially on NAS, right? That's all you need. So that's all I really got, right? That was it. My stop loss was not that large, so I had 100 points. So maybe I caught this just slightly sooner. the stop loss straight. $153. Yeah, I caught it right here. Okay, because I remember I had initially set it for 100 and I had to pull it down just a little bit to get underneath structure. All right, so that was my entry, and you can see here price pulled up. Okay, and that was my exit. All right, so it's still running. All right, we're still running, but that was my exit. Okay. Again, why'd I get out? Well, area supply that had been respected. Now again, market is bullish, so all of this could be correction, and we could just continue up to the high side, and that totally would make sense to me too. But again, I wanted to be done, just get in and out, call it a day. And I actually have a trailing stop that just knocked me out anyway, so it was automatically trailing, falling behind by 30 points. So once I clicked it on, this pullback here knocked me out. All right, so that's it. Just wanted to share that. Okay, share that. Again, trying to get you guys to get to the place where you're really looking at these opportunities here and taking advantage of it, right? I know the temptation is to trade the reversals, right? We can do that, but man, if you can trade demand, right? When price is bullish, trade off of demand. When price is bearish, look for supply, right? You can really get some clean, no drama or low drama scenarios. All right, talk to you guys next time.